What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Pura Vida Offroad Bronco attic tray in the back here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have the attic tray and the supporting mounts. These are two separate pieces you can buy on the site from Pura Vida Offroad. This is what was shipped to me. Got a nice little sticker patch. We got some hardware for traction boards that you can add on. This does not come with the kit. And then we got our mounting hardware. And so the first kit contains these brackets here and here, which go pretty much right here on the Bronco and right here. And then the second part of the kit is the attic tray itself, which kind of sits nice up and tight on those brackets here and kind of goes across the top and gives us a little bit of storage space up top. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these and see what they look like. Here's the final product installed. Took maybe about 10 minutes. Pretty much put a bolt here, and then if you want this top section, if you opt for that, you do 2 more bolts on each side. Pretty easy, real nice. We get a little bit of space up here, probably about 2 to 3 inches if you can clear this section here. So about a fist and a half. As far as rear view visibility, it does block like the tiniest bit. It's just kind of goes below the back brace here. And I'll show that pretty quickly here. But this is pretty much what we're working with. It's a nice little setup. You can store stuff on top if you'd like. Fits really well. I like it. I'm gonna have to store some stuff up here, strap it down. Nice with the molly panels. You can, if your traction boards, I think the Max Trax GT Pros fit, but I think it was anything under 49 inches will fit back here. So pretty much you can bolt them right up to the underside here. If you just had these steps, you could throw them on top, just like this tray, and then bolt them onto each side there if you wanted to. I like this because it just gives me the option of putting a few smaller items up top, keeping it kind of out of the way, saving some trunk space as far as that goes. So let's take a look at what the rear view looks like. Do my best to keep everything out of the way here, but that's kind of what you're looking at. So I have a rear headrest right here. This one's down, and then you can basically see it right there. So not horrible. You still have the limited tank looking view that you've always had, just slightly, if you put some traction boards there, you definitely would have those hanging and pretty much probably block off all your rear view. But for the most part, you almost can't even tell it's there, unless you kind of get in the way with the light. So looks good. All right, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to throw them below. I'll answer those as soon as I can get to them. Thanks, guys.